So this is the continuation of the video. Now, if I click on rent now, I'm going to go there. And this is incorrect. Is it the rental option? So it should actually go onto a link where they actually go and rent the device. And guess where it is? I mean, you've got to look for it. It's there. HIFO, HIFO, where is it? Multi-line HIFO, rental option, that's where it is. So this is where it should be. And since you said you finished the, well, you've done the job to the specs, I was expecting that to be done, to be in the right place. So actually, if you want to rent the device, then you click there and it's beautiful. So that's what I was actually expecting to find, and it's not there. So look, read more, see whether it's in the right place. So basically that link here, this one is wrong. Yeah, that's there. Self-trial center is fine. Let's have a look. RF micro needler, it's more, yeah. Body sculptor, read more. I'm only assuming that they're in the right place, yeah. So look. Actually, yes, that's right. Body sculptor is right. Micro needler is right. Okay. About Ariton new collection. The new collection, I think we already put it in the video before. The new connection. It shouldn't be put the new collection. It should be products or something of the sort. Products. Yeah, I've got the price list there. That's fine. Yeah, and that's it. Let's have a look at the FAQ that you mentioned. FAQ. So like one FAQ, for instance, that FAQ. See whether it's been changed. Yeah, that seems better. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, that's fine. Got it right. Yeah. Later on, when we're going to go to advanced, you've got to change also the wording there. That's going to be quite interesting. Yeah, so I suggest you just do that, and then let me know when you're finished with it, and yeah, send me give me a bell, so to speak.